Well, sucks to say, but about time. I'm gonna start taking out the beats on the car, on the truck. So when it's ready to take out the guts and the heart and guts out of this truck, there's nothing else left for me to take off, because everything goes well. This motor transmission will be going into the Regal, and I will be selling just a shell for like $3,500, no less. Rims, upgraded disc brakes, upper and lower adjustable control arms, the one that goes from differential to, I guess, chassis. And the truck is still in great condition, so see what happens. Don't want to do it, but yeah, she gotta go. Been good to us. I know a lot of you are like, nah, Diablo ain't gonna do it. Nah, he loves that truck too much. Not joking around, guys. I mean business. Sucks, man. I don't want to get rid of her. Gas prices is just draining us. It's just draining us, man. So for a family car to drain us dry, yeah, that's why we got this one right here. Save us some money. Yeah, I'm not playing around, guys. Sad to say, but as soon as I get that check for the accident, I'm gonna see what I'm working with. But this motor will be going into the Regal with the transmission. Quick swap. Well, I am all done, guys. Took out all the sounds. I just gotta put everything back together now. The sounds are not for sale, guys, so please do not ask. They're going in either to the Regal or they're going into the Honda. Look at all that zero gauge. All that is zero gauge right there. Then I'm gonna have to hit up probably two of my boys to come and help me take out this speaker box, because my shoulder's messed up and it's pretty heavy. So see how it goes. All right, it's already set. The little stereo probably gonna get swapped out. Doesn't give out good sounds, or I'm gonna just go with the amp. Get them all wired in. As you guys see, even the back ones are in. I gotta cut this right here so that way it could fit. I might have to do the doors as well. Let me see. I have to cut those over there at the bottom. That way they don't rub on the speaker. Because if I didn't put this spacer right here, it touches the rail in the back. So that spacer right there is perfect. And I brought out the Performance Technique tweeters. If you guys know about those, you know what's up. So it just needs some bass now.
Get that money back and spend it on the same thing.
Just needs a little bit of bass.
That's what got my daddy locked up in the dog pound. Freestyle on them, let all of my dogs out. We gon' pull up in that.
This little radio is not pushing out
Be quick, it's only available for a limited time.
Attorney advertising. Prior results do not guarantee a sum.
Too clear.
Made a million out of stones. She let her put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her on the bros. I done put her in the bros. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, put her with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man.
Next is the bass. Okay, there. Performance technique. Old school tweeters. Sounds is done for. See. All right, we're done. At least for. Still gotta do the bass. Oh, my bad.
K47 mom, I ain't gotta tell them who the fuck we are. I rep my shit till I'm next to God, and when you mention us, you better rep it hard. Tattooed on my chest, yeah. Fuck your bulletproof vest, yeah. Fuck them if they wanna be chilling with all my enemies, disrespecting my set. I've been smoking all of my weed, trying to follow my dreams. With your ex-girl and her best friends, they loving me.
So we finally got her a little buddy.
Maybe it's okay.
She's a puppy.
We named her Tiny.
Still gotta find a home for Gigi, so.
Oh, I think that's good.
And then I gotta give her shots as soon as possible.
No, she was about to pee.
And
so-
then
Tiny.
come here.